Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I'm here to talk to you about our good friends Mobvoi, and more specifically, headphones. Even more specifically, earbuds. Way back in the days of the TicWatch E, I actually kickstarted and got a pair of the very first TicPods that Mobvoi put out. This was what I didn't know, the beginning of something actually pretty great. So if we fast forward to Christmas of this year, I actually had a family member who is currently enjoying my TicWatch E, by the way. I don't think I'm getting it back. They needed some earbuds. And looking at the millions of options that you have out there, I figured, well, I'm going to go with a company that I know. I ordered up for them a set of TicPod Frees. They actually turned out to really like them. They liked them a lot. In fact, they liked them so much, and they told me about it, that I kind of wish that I had a pair of my own. Thankfully, Mobvoi kind of read my mind, and they have sent me a brand spanking new TicPod 2 Pro. Now, this is very exciting because when I look at the waft of earbuds that are on the market, I don't see a whole lot of really cool things being done by a lot of companies. And that is where Mobvoi kind of picks it up and knocks it out of the park. So with the TicPod series, with the Free and the 2, they had touch controls, they had decent battery life, a whole bunch of features like if you put the earbud in your ear, it would play music, but as soon as you took it out, it would pause. You had a charging case. They just took that and they made it so much better with this. I'm actually really excited to give these a try. Let's go ahead and open up these beautiful navy blue TicPods and see what we have inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my trusty knife here, and we're going to go in through the bottom. Alright, with the packaging out of the way, we can go ahead and slip the cover off. Looking very stylish. And there we go. The TicPod 2, an AI interactive TWS earphone. The AI assistant in your ear. And it's got a whole bunch of information on device pairing, multi-mode control, which is actually pretty darn cool, Tic Hear technology, Tic Motion technology, and the touch feature on the actual stock of the earbud itself. We're going to go ahead and remove these from the case. Now these are incredibly small. In fact, they are 42% smaller than the TicPod Frees, and those are already really small. They say these are so small that they'll fit inside the little coin pouch on jeans. Man, they're so small they can fit inside just a belt loop. And they're actually better battery life. So the original TicPod Frees got around 18 hours. These are sporting 23 and still 4 hours of continuous play before they need to be charged. And if you need a top up, 5 minutes will get you a rapid charge of 1 hour playtime. That's pretty awesome. So it says here, please remove and discard the plastic film. We will certainly go ahead and do that. And before we get into pairing, let's just go ahead and make sure that we've got everything out of the box that we want out of the box. And here we've got a little manual, all sorts of other little things. And then of course we have a charging cable, and this is USB Type-C, and it's just through the back there. No wireless charging though. Maybe even the TicPods 3. Let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to pair these guys. So it's pretty straightforward. You open it up, you go into your Bluetooth, you select it, and you're done. So now that we have these set up, let's talk about kind of the three big technologies that they have built into this. The first is what they're calling Tic Hear. And this essentially allows you to use voice commands to control your device. So you can tell it to play, pause, next song, pick up or hang up the phone, and you can also tell it to use your smart assistant. Next song. Next song. Pause music. Play music. Hey Tico. The other one that they have is Tic Motion, so very similar to the technology that they have in their watches. Tic Motion in this case will actually allow you to nod twice or shake your head twice to either accept or to hang up a phone call. That's pretty awesome. So they're pretty much thinking of everything. The last one, of course, is the touch technology. And this has to do with the actual stock of the headphone. So you simply run your finger up and down and it will control the volume. You can double tap to skip. You can tap to pick up or hang up the phone. You can long press for the assistant, or you can long press to deny or refuse a phone call. So this is me taking the right earbud out, putting it back in. Left earbud out. It still goes. Double tap to skip. These are also using Qualcomm aptX audio technology, Bluetooth 5.0. You're going to get good synchronization with video, so they can be used for YouTube, even gaming. They've also got dual microphones for sound and noise cancellation. They've really well thought these out. They are IPX4 rated, which means that they are water resistant, so splashing water. Not submersion though. You don't want to go swimming with these, that might end pretty poorly. Lastly, if you want to get the full experience, you can download the Mobvoi app, which will allow you to check the battery life on these. You'll be able to do over-the-air updates. You can customize the controls, as well as a translation function. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be using these over the next few days, and I will keep you appraised on how it goes. I'm actually looking really forward to giving these a try. If you have any questions that you would like me to answer, or any things you'd like me to try, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I will do my best to give you my full report on these as I continue to use them. Thank you so much for Mobvoi for supplying these for me to test and to bring to you, and thank you so much for watching. Before you go, I'll leave the big 4 here at the bottom. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want updates on what I think of these in the near future. I'll see you next time.